Alright, so boom. Good day at work. Came out, left my lights on my bike. Thought I was finna leave. Locked that bitch up. You know, normal shit. I don't know what that noise was.
What?
Still not starting. Turn my lights off and everything. Nothing. Nathaniel. Click clunk one more time. Heartbroken.
Oh.
Yep. Gotta make that call.
Like I left my lights on too long, and now my
Duh,
battery is
motherfucker.
slightly undercharged, and it won't start. So I gotta,
Y'all should have
yeah,
seen when I was out in
I
the
gotta let
parking
it
lot
sit
trying to
there and
run and
recharge for a little bit.
jump start that motherfucker. Got my ass whooped. Moral of the story, turn your goddamn lights off.